To handle this program, we need to be a little careful about the coding itself. So from one side, I'm handling the test case of having the three numbers to be greater than 100 as a special case of result -1. Now we are done with that. If we are in the else condition, there must be an answer among them. To make it easy for me, I divided the code to two blocks. In the first block, I am initializing the result with some valid answer, whatever of them. So I'm saying here, if A is less than 100, then consider it. Otherwise, if B is less than 100, then consider it. Otherwise, put C. We are sure then one of these conditions will be true because we handle this as a special condition. Once we are done with that, we have a good initial value. Now, the idea here is to iterate on every variable again and use it here in a condition like if result is less than or A less than 100. We are doing two things here. We are making sure that the A is less than 100, and also we are making sure that the result is better than what we have, then we assign it. So we keep going as long as it is a valid number and better than what we have, then go ahead. That's all. Please make sure that you can test this three negative numbers. If you think you can write something that is more like still simple, less coding but still clear, like share it with me. In the fourth assignment here, the conditional count, we would like to write a program that read number x, and then we would like to know how many number is greater than and less than. So to do that, we are going to do that in a very straightforward way. Read the number, and instead of the if else, which can be done, I can do that in a different way. We can say something like count plus equal this boolean condition. Remember, boolean condition behind the scene actually is an integer, but the default value is either 1 or 0. So if this condition is 1 is true, a value 1 will be added. If it is false, a value of 0 will be added. That's all. And clearly the relationship between the two numbers is that they are like complement numbers. That's all.